Doctors are shocked because this everyday drink boosts testosterone better than pills. Yes, you heard that right. Something so simple, so ordinary, something you could even find in your kitchen or at your local grocery store, has been proven to raise testosterone levels naturally, and in some cases more effectively than expensive pills or risky treatments. And I know what you're probably thinking right now. Wait, how can a simple drink be more powerful than a pharmaceutical pill? Isn't that impossible? But that's exactly why you need to stay with me until the very end of this video. Because I'll not only reveal the exact drink, but I'll also explain how it works in your body, why doctors themselves are so surprised by the results, and I'll share with you how to use it correctly to see real benefits. Plus, I'll give you a few bonus tips that can make it even more powerful. And don't skip ahead, because at the end of this video, I'll also show you how to download my free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. The link is waiting for you right below this video in the description. Now, let's start with the obvious question. Why does testosterone even matter so much for men? Well, testosterone is not just about muscles or the gym. It's the master hormone that drives almost everything about your vitality. It fuels your strength. It gives you confidence. It helps you build muscle. It keeps your bones strong. It supports your energy levels. It sharpens your motivation. And yes, it plays a massive role in your potency and your performance in the bedroom. Testosterone is basically the difference between feeling like a man in his prime versus feeling like you're slowing down and running out of steam. But here's the problem, and this is where most men get caught off guard. After the age of 30, testosterone levels naturally begin to drop, and by the time you reach 40 or 50, the decline can be steep enough to change the way you feel every single day. That's why so many men suddenly find themselves gaining weight more easily, losing muscle despite working out, struggling with lower drive, and feeling less motivated. Some men rush to doctors and get prescriptions for testosterone pills or even injections. And while those can work in certain cases, they also come with risks, side effects, and costs. But here's the truth that most men don't realize. You don't always need complicated treatments, because nature already gave us simple, safe, and powerful tools to support testosterone naturally. And one of those tools is hidden in an everyday drink that you might have overlooked your entire life. Now, before I reveal what this drink is, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that your energy isn't the same as it used to be? Maybe your workouts feel harder, maybe you struggle to focus at work, or maybe your drive for life and relationships just isn't as strong as it once was. Do you sometimes feel like you're running on empty, even when you've had a full night's sleep? If so, you're not alone. Millions of men experience this, but here's the crazy part. Very few of them ever find out that a simple, natural drink could help restore their strength and bring them back into balance. And when doctors started looking at the research on this drink, they were honestly surprised by how effective it turned out to be. So what is this mysterious drink that boosts testosterone better than pills? It's none other than pomegranate juice. Yes, pomegranate juice, that deep red, slightly tart fruit juice you may have walked past in the supermarket aisle 100 times without giving it a second thought, has been proven to raise testosterone levels naturally in men. And here's the shocking part. Studies have shown that drinking pure pomegranate juice daily can increase testosterone levels by up to 20 to 25% in just a few weeks. Think about that for a second. A 20% increase in testosterone is a massive difference. That's the kind of improvement that can change how you feel, how you perform, and even how you look. And all of this from something completely natural. But it doesn't stop there. Pomegranate juice doesn't just boost testosterone. It also improves blood circulation. It reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and it increases overall energy levels. Put those 3 benefits together, and you've got the perfect recipe for feeling younger, stronger, and more alive. But how does this actually work? Let me break it down in simple terms. Pomegranate is packed with natural compounds called antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are like bodyguards for your cells. Every single day, Your body is under attack from stress, poor diet, pollution, and inflammation. These things create damage in your cells and make it harder for your body to function at its best. One of the first things that suffers under this stress is testosterone production. When your body is inflamed and stressed out, your natural testosterone production slows down. But here's where pomegranate juice makes a difference. Its antioxidants reduce that stress and help your body restore balance. In other words, it takes away the brakes that were holding your testosterone back. But that's not all. Pomegranate also improves blood flow. Why does that matter? Because good circulation is everything. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, more energy moving through your body. It also means better performance in the gym and in the bedroom. So by drinking pomegranate juice, you're not only boosting your hormones, you're also literally improving the flow of life through your body. Do you see how powerful that is? It's like giving your entire system a tune-up. Now, before you rush out and buy the first bottle of pomegranate juice you see, let me give you some important tips. Number 1, make sure it's 100% pure pomegranate juice. A lot of the cheap versions on store shelves are loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, or diluted with other juices. Those will do more harm than good. You want the real deal, pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice. Number 2, consistency matters. Drinking it once won't do anything magical. You need to make it a part of your daily routine. Aim for 1 glass per day, ideally with breakfast or before your workout. Number 3, be patient. Natural solutions don't work overnight like a pill might, but they work with your body, not against it. Give it 2 to 3 weeks, and you may start noticing more energy, stronger workouts, a better mood, and yes, even more confidence. And here's a bonus tip that can supercharge its effect. Try combining pomegranate juice with strength training. Why? Because lifting weights and doing resistance exercises are one of the best natural ways to boost testosterone. When you fuel your body with pomegranate juice and then challenge your muscles, you're essentially giving your testosterone levels a double push. And trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now let me turn it over to you. Have you ever tried drinking pomegranate juice consistently? Did you notice any difference in your energy, your workouts, or even your drive? Share your experience in the comments below, because I read every single one, and your story might just inspire another man who's looking for a natural solution. And if you've never tried it, tell me, after hearing this, do you think you'll give it a shot? But here's something important to remember. Pomegranate juice is powerful, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. If you really want to protect your testosterone, your energy, and your vitality after 30, you need a full lifestyle approach. That's exactly why I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Inside, I share simple, practical steps you can start using today that don't cost anything and can have a huge impact on your health, your hormones, and your confidence. You can download it right now, completely free, through the link in the description under this video. So let's wrap this up. Doctors are shocked because something as ordinary as pomegranate juice, something you can drink every day, has been proven to boost testosterone better than many pills. No side effects, no risks, no expensive treatments. Just a simple, natural drink that fuels your body the way nature intended. Sometimes the most powerful solutions aren't found in a pharmacy. They're found in the fruits and plants we've had for thousands of years. So now it's your turn. Will you start adding a glass of pomegranate juice to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments, because your decision today might inspire another man to take back his energy, his strength, and his confidence. And don't forget to grab your free guide, 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. The link is waiting for you right below this video. Stay strong, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next one.